This video focuses on factoring by the grouping method. We do this when we have 4 terms. So you try to group 2 terms and 2 terms that have something alike that you can take out the GCF. So I'm grouping these 2 terms together as my first group, and then these 2 terms together as my second group. And what I'm going to do is do the GCF twice. So we're going to take out the GCF from this red group. So I'm going to take out a 2 and an x squared. What I'm left with when I divide both terms by 2x squared is 4x cubed minus 3. Now let's come over to the blue parentheses. Again, I want to take out the GCF, so I'm going to divide both terms by 3. What I'm left with when I divide both terms by 3 is 4x cubed minus 3. What will happen every time, if you've done this correctly, is these 2 parentheses will be exactly the same, which they are. This is our new GCF. So we're going to take out our new GCF of 4x cubed minus 3. What we're left with in this first group is just the 2x squared, because I've taken out that red underline 4x cubed minus 3. And then in the second group, I'm left with just the plus 3. Here's a second example of doing the grouping method. I'm going to group the first 2 terms together. So that will be my first parentheses. I'm going to group the second 2 terms together. So that'll be my second parentheses. Now we're going to take out the GCF of the first group. So in the red, I'm going to take out a y squared. So I'm dividing both terms by y squared. So y cubed divided by y squared is y. Negative 4y squared divided by y squared is negative 4. Now I'll come over to the second group in the blue. I want to take out the GCF, so I'm going to divide it out by negative 2. So I divide negative 2y divided by negative 2, and I'm left with a y. Then I take 8 divided by negative 2, which is negative 4. Now look at the parentheses. Do they both match up? Are they exactly the same? Yes. So this is my new GCF. So now my GCF is y minus 4, and I'm going to take it out of both groups, the blue and the red. So what I'm left with in this first group is y squared. What I'm left in this second group is minus 2. Now it is factored by grouping.